Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, Bedliner, brake assist, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, rear view camera, active grille shutters. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.